Hey everybody, today we're going to be unboxing for you the new Nest Cam Outdoor. Hey everyone, I'm Trevor with Tink, and today, like I said, we're going to be unboxing the new Nest Cam Outdoor. So let's take a look at it and get started. So right in front of me I have the Nest Cam Outdoor box. It's kind of a cool design to the box. It's got this sleeve with all the information on the outside, and it's got the Nest Cam cardboard box kind of sticking out halfway through. So right here we've got the product itself right in the front, so why don't we take a look inside and see what we've got. So it slides out just like that. And then the box itself is kind of a nice design, gives a very minimal, just the logo on the front there. And it slides up, and right in the front we have the camera itself, just like an eyeball, staring right at you. And once we pull that out, we've got the camera as well as a USB cable. Underneath that, we've got here the setup instructions and the user guide, as well as underneath that we have our power cable and mounting equipment. So not a lot in the box, just everything that you need, which is nice. And now we'll take a closer look at each individual piece just to see how they feel. So first we'll take a look at the camera itself, which we've got here, which is a nice and small camera. It's sleek, so that it's not sort of obtrusive. It doesn't feel like it's a security camera, but it is obviously making your home more safe and secure. It's quite light, and the cable itself is a nice length so that you can have it reach long distances if you need it. On the bottom of the camera itself, we have the speaker here, so you can hear what is going on with the camera. And as I mentioned before, it has the long USB cable here, and the camera itself is entirely weatherproof. So that means that all the different parts are able to seal so that it can withstand different types of weather. As an example of that, in the USB cable, it connects here to the power plug, and what it does is that it fits nice and snugly into it with this piece fitting nice and snug, so it doesn't allow any water in once you lock it into place. So the cable itself is quite long. It runs 7.5 meters, so that it's able to reach from any type of distance, no matter where you mount the camera. So this is a really great thing here. So you're probably wondering, how do you actually mount the camera onto your wall or roof or ceiling? And what you have here is a very cool magnetic mount. What's great about this is that it clips magnetically onto the back of the camera like that. Quite a strong grip, to be honest. And you can kind of put that on any part of the camera, so you can adjust the angle that your camera's getting. And of course, also in the box, the mounting equipment for this mount is just in here. So you've got all different types of screws and mounts so that you can adjust it to fit wherever you want in your house. So that's everything that comes inside of the Nest Cam Outdoor box, and it's quite an easy setup, as you can tell, and you'll be having your new security camera set up in no time. So I think this is a great product for anyone who's looking to add a little bit more security to their home but doesn't want to have to worry about complicated security setups. It's all quite simple, easy to use, and it looks pretty nice too. So that's an added benefit of the Nest Cam product. So if you have any questions, make sure you write them in the comments below, or check out tink.us for more information. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more smart home videos from Tink. We make a new video every week, so make sure you stick around and check them out. See ya.